Hello everyone, let's talk about the KV admission 2022. What's the update and in the latest judgment and what has happened in the court, Delhi High Court today on 10th of March 2022. As petitioner approached to the court and seeks the intervention about the age extension from 5 to 6 years, Delhi High Court heard the matter today after the 2nd of March. Okay, what is the issue? We'll discuss all the things about the update in the matter of KV admission and the age criteria changed. Alright. The center on Thursday defended before the Delhi High Court Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan's decision setting 6 years as the minimum age for admission to class 1 in Kendriya Vidyalaya in the upcoming academic year. The Central Council told Justice Rekha Palli that the prescription of 6 years as eligibility age for class 1 was in tune with the national education policy which all Kendriya Vidyalayas are bound to follow. The lawyer explained that paragraph 4.1 of the NEP, which stands for National Education Policy, deals with the adoption of a new 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 design for school education, under which foundational stage covers age 3 to 8 years, and while the first 3 years are for Anganwadi or preschool, and the 2 years are for primary schools, that is grade 1 and grade 2. He said that we have requested the states to adopt NEP. There are 21 states where 6 plus year is followed. States are transitioning, the council said. Delhi Government Council said that it has no role to play in the decision taken for the Kendriya Vidyalaya and in the Delhi government schools. The age criteria for admission to class 1 is 5 to 6 years inside the Delhi. The court, which was hearing the petition challenging the 6-year minimum age criteria, questioned as to how the disparity in age eligibility criteria for class 1 is going to work out, and asked Delhi Government Council to take instruction on the issue and listed the case for further hearing on March 14. We will have a holistic view. It will have an impact on everything. List on Monday. The court said that Justice Palli had sought the stand from the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan and the Center on the petition earlier this week. KVS had then told the court that the age criteria were updated in strict compliance with the 2022 National Education Policy, which was issued by the Center on July 9, 2020. In her petition, a 5-year-old girl claimed that the change in age criteria, which was earlier 5 years, violated the right to education guaranteed to the petitioner under Article 14, 21 and 21A of the Constitution, as well as under the provision of Delhi School Education Act 1973 and Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. The petitioner is a UKG student who was represented by lawyer Ashok Agarwal. Claimed has that KVS suddenly changed the admission criteria for class 1 to 6 years by uploading the guidelines for admission to Kendriya Vidyalayas on its portal just 4 days before the admission process started last month. The petition has stated that change is arbitrary, discriminatory, unjust, and unreasonable and without the authority of the law, and that it did not give sufficient time to the parents to make alternate arrangements. The change to 6 plus year is an invention of the respondent KVS without any mandate from the NEP 2020. The National Education Policy 2020, and that too in the disadvantage of children like petitioner, said the petition filed through the father of the girl. It has added that most of the reputed private schools have closed their admission, and as compared to students of other schools, children in KV would lose 1 year for no fault for their own. No comments were invited from the affected parties, nor any public discussion held. Therefore, it is respectfully submitted that impugned guidelines suffer from unreasonableness and hit by Article 14 of Constitution of India. It was said by the petition which seeks a direction to the authorities to reframe the admission criteria in accordance with the law. So stay tuned, stay connected for more update in this regarding. Like and subscribe. Thank you.